The Stanley FatMax TradeLift is here at its.co.uk. I mean, look at this thing, really impressive. Why do you need people helping you anymore when you can get a Stanley FatMax TradeLift to do all the heavy lifting for you? Perfect for when you need to carefully lift objects, especially, the likes of if you're installing doors or if you need to spread material or anything like that, you can do it with so much ease with something like this. Can hold up to 150 kilograms of weight, and you know Stanley, they've been around forever producing higher quality hand tools, especially with the name FatMax as well. That's how you know you are getting high quality, and this is no exception to that. Really sturdy construction with this, and yeah, like I said, it's going to be perfect. It's like an extra helping hand, but without having to get an extra person to do it. The Stanley FatMax TradeLift can do it all for you. Easy to use, you raise it just by squeezing the trigger on the back. You have a quick release as well if you need to quickly release the tool, but you've also got that fine adjustment up to 2.5 mil every single time, as you see there, lowering it nice and easy. Thanks to its nice large feet, you can actually use it to clamp down material as well. So you're getting multiple uses out of a tool like this. Really easy to use, really convenient. You can get it on its own, or you can also get it in a pack of 2 or 4, depending on what you are going to be using it for. Really strong, really durable. Like I said, one of these can hold up to 150 kilograms, which is impressive. And if you don't believe me, well, I mean, look at what I've been standing on this whole time. So check it out now, the Stanley FatMax TradeLift, available at its.co.uk.